In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to write high-converting call-to-action phrases in just 1 minute. Let's get started. First, I'll navigate to the Perplexity homepage and click directly into the central search bar to start my request. I'm typing in a prompt to generate 5 high-converting CTA phrases, specifically for a new organic skincare brand that offers a 20% discount to its first-time customers. After I click the arrow to submit, the AI immediately gets to work, pulling together options that balance brand identity with promotional value. The results provide a variety of angles, from benefit-driven hooks like "claim your 20% glow up" to curiosity-based phrases like "unlock 20% off pure organic bliss." These CTAs are effective because they use power words that appeal to the skincare demographic while making the discount the central focus of the message. Next, I want to see how the tool handles a more professional, service-oriented request, so I'll move down to the follow-up box. I'm typing a request for a compelling CTA for a digital marketing agency's landing page, with the goal of getting small business owners to book a free 30-minute strategy call. I click send, and the AI generates a more robust response. This result is particularly strong because it moves beyond just a short phrase and provides a full CTA section, including a bold headline about 10x growth. It effectively addresses common business pain points by promising to remove the guesswork from marketing and offers a low-friction entry point with the free consultation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.